Now, people tend to get angry when I tell them I've never been to New York City. Actually, I have, but I was like 10 years old or like 8 years old, so I don't remember any. But today we're doing it virtually, okay? We're playing another horror game, and this one is apparently the scariest that has come out in a long time, because that's what you guys want. Hey. You. But guys, regardless, we're working an underground subway station, and we got security cameras in the whole shebang. Bada bop boom. Pow. Oh! If you know, you know. Hey, Zico, you can play that clip. You can play that. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, you know the drill, okay? You know what to do. Grab a snack, grab a drink, turn those lights down, lay back on your couch, and enjoy this video, ladies and gentlemen. Give me the mic, goddammit. Hey, yo, Zico! What are we playing today? New York City Simulator. We are about to play it homeless. Beneath the dazzling lights of New York, a sinister darkness lurks. In the hour when the whole city is sleeping, a strange and terrifying man emerges from the darkness, intent on shattering your mind and spirit. You know what's weird is I feel like this is kind of like an urban legend that was turned into a game. Is this like an urban legend of New York? I'm gonna need your guys' help here. If there's ever a puzzle, I'm gonna have to, you know, I need help, dude. Brooklyn, New York. Oh, so we in Brooklyn right now. Dude, this place is ass. Who lives here? The rich are up in their penthouses enjoying life, while the poor are down on the streets struggling for a bite to eat. My whole 45 years, they promised me I'd get up there one day, but it was all lies. Sounds like a you problem. I'm still stuck down here, forced to guard these fucking trains for peanuts. Am I just... Oh, they just threw me in like that, huh? Okay. I mean, this is pretty cool, I guess. It could be worse. Puppy? Puppy? Okay, we gotta check everything. You know we gotta check everything. Okay, I think I'm supposed to go down there, but I'm gonna check the area first. Oh, maybe I'm not supposed to go down there. Okay, what is this? Subway security. Oh, so I'm a security guard. I'm not unemployed? I thought I was homeless. Whoa. So I got cameras everywhere. I am a rat. They get it, chat? New York, rat. Okay, so this is me, Albert Smith, security officer, Metro Security Agency. The night shift station guard near Metro stations, preventing unauthorized entry of homeless individuals. Dear team, it has come to our attention that there has been an increase in incidents where homeless individuals seek refuge within the station confines overnight. While we empathize with their plight, whatever that means, their presence poses significant safety risks for themselves and our patrons. Monitoring station entrances. Ensure all entry points are monitored. Okay. Prompt reporting. Immediately report any sightings or attempts. Okay. Compassionate engagement. When encountered, engage with homeless individuals with compassion and guide them towards appropriate... Okay, okay. So I have to respect these guys, basically. I don't like that song. Let's keep an eye on the cameras. Let me know if you see movement, guys. Nothing so far. Is that me? Am I supposed to just wait, or should I go downstairs? I feel like I should go down. Wait, why are the lights off? All right, let's go back. Let's go downstairs. I don't even know if I have a flashlight or not, which is awful. They better give me one, dude. Subway station. I can't even go down there? Where do I go? This way? No way. No way I have to walk down this direction. Oh, wait, maybe I do. Fire safety door. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Yo, yeah, so far, chat, I ain't going to New York. I am not going to New York. I will stay clear from this area. How do I get down there, bro? Am I stupid? Maybe this way. Hello? Check all the cameras. I literally... Did I not? All right, let's go one by one here. First one. Okay. I don't see anything so far, guys. Oh man, another power outage. Gotta fix the issue. Okay, the power's out. We gotta go fix that. I'm guessing I have to go down here, right? Let's go! Man. So this is what that place is like? Okay, there it is. I need a key. I need a key? Bro, I'm security. How do I not have a key? What do you mean you need a key, bro? Okay. This world had nothing for me. I wish to die, but I have no money for a coffin, nor money for a priest to say prayer for me at my my burial. Oh my God, yeah. No, I got it. No, I'm kidding. Hey, it was a joke. You know he got that tissue box next to the bed, though. The homeless men get a little crazy here and there. Anybody want to explain what just happened, though? Yeah, that hallway creeps me out. How about this one? Okay. Guess we're going this way. Hello? Oh, this place is disgusting. Subway station entry. Okay. Key. Yes, give me the key. Nice, bro. Close it. Close it. Yeah, I'm just gonna get out of here. Just get past this thing. I'm always paranoid about these. I feel like I'm gonna get my finger stuck in it. Okay, we got the key to the lock. We're good. Fix it. Thank you. Okay. Is that all it was? I did all that work just to flip a switch? Okay. You guys hear it? You guys hear him? Someone's singing. Have you ever heard the cry of a hungry man? Yeah, low-key, I'm hungry all the time, so I know exactly what you mean. Hello? It's very nice of you to open the door. It had to have been a rat. It was just a rat. It was just a rat. Don't let the rats creep you out. Wait, somebody was sleeping here. Lost family, lost home, lost everything. Okay, I'm out of here. Why does it say help? Why does it say help? What the Sir? I have cheeseburger. Sir, I have cheeseburger for you. Want a cheeseburger? What is that shadow? Sir, we can get Taco Bell if you... We can get... You want Taco Bell? No Taco Bell? Okay, I'm getting out of here, bro. Okay, outside. I feel a lot safer outside. Anybody else feel the same way? Because God... Who is that? And why is he 9 feet tall? Is that Yao Ming? Oh! Mr. Ming. Mr. Ming, we can talk about this. Mr. Ming? Cheeseburger? Will someone tell me why that's the scariest thing I've ever seen in my life? I don't think he sees me. He doesn't know I'm here. He's just looking at the camera, you know? Should I go back downstairs? Man. Shout out to Yao Ming, bro. Ever since his career went downhill, it's sad, bro. It really is. You know, sometimes athletes, they don't know what to do once they're done playing ball. Mr. Ming's just a little lost, a little hungry. That's it. Mr. Ming? Oh, yeah. Let me go down this creepy-ass ladder. Like, come on, bro. Man, you are asking to die. You're genuinely... That is the most Caucasian thing I could do right there. Mr. Ming? Let's go check on him. We just have to make sure he's okay. You know? It's just a... Host hot service automatic. There's a head. There's a human head. I need a flashlight. What? Special fruit juice order for Vulture. Blend of human eye and brain. Man, that's your guys' diet. Yeah, okay, time to go. What is this? What is this? It is often seen as a symbol of death and disease. Bro, what? Yo, is that kind of scary, guys? Does that kind of creep me out a little bit?
Oh, give me a kiss, deadhead.
Is that a train pulling in? What does that say? I scream my loneliness, crowded street, but no one. Okay, that's cool, man. Thanks for telling me. Bro, get me out of here. Yo, I'm going back to Michigan. Smoke? Bag plaster. What is that? Like C4? What is this? Ah! He messing up all the systems. What are these, bro? Can I have a flashlight, please? Someone taking a piss in there, bro. Excuse me, miss? Excuse me, miss. Bathroom's out of order. I'm gonna need you to finish up, wipe, do whatever you gotta do. Oh, it's just a leak? What is going on in the women's bathroom? Oh my god. Is it weird if I check the stalls? Alright. Miss? I'm just gonna get out. I don't want to be rude. Man. Now this is more like it. Oh. This is actually pretty accurate, okay? This is what a man's bathroom looks like, bro. Agreement of transfer penthouse, but fucking 255. Can I just clean it up? Just keep going. Don't. Just keep moving. Bro, you think I'm gonna open the stall door after I see that? I will sit in here. I will take 17 shits before I open that. Okay. Oh, we're good. Oh, we're good. Okay, I thought there was gonna be a jump scare. I could have sworn. Mr. Ming? Mr. Ming don't look like how I remember. Okay. I'm just gonna keep it moving. Okay. I mean, it's a little too quiet down here. Is this abandoned? I need a code. Chat, look for a code. Chat, look. Okay. I need a 4-digit code, bro. Where would it be? I need you guys to keep your eyes peeled. What do you mean you're on your own? Oh my god. Like that. Oh, 3. B3. A7. So A, B, C, D. Gotcha. 738 7387. God, I'm so good at this. And y'all say I'm not a professional. 7387. Done. Give me a nap, motherfucker. What is leaking down here? Locked. Everything's just locked. There's a fire down here. Whoa, whoa, and a bed. Something was rolling. Something happened. Okay, I'm out this. I'm out this play. Bro, why you making me play this? is that? What is that? Okay. Oh, it's a homeless guy. Please leave me alone, sir. I'll literally get you a cheeseburger, man. I'm sorry, bro. Who are you? What are you doing here? I don't mess with anyone. Please leave me alone. I have no shelter. Please. God, I feel bad. Don't worry, my friend. I won't harm you. I just want to know if you've seen a tall, homeless man named Vulture around here. I've been here the whole time and I don't know any other homeless people. Please don't kick me out. All right, you're good. You're good there. You got a nice bed though. I'm gonna be honest. Like your bed's better than like any of the other homeless beds I've seen. So. It's like too quiet for a New York subway, bro. Is that Travis Scott? Hey, Trev! Hey! Days before... Oh, okay. Days before rodeo. Okay, I guess we're getting on. I guess we're getting on. Nope, never mind. I'm going in this cool elevator. Oh my god. Okay. Wow, this is a beautiful place. Oh my god, we're outside. Oh, jeez, thank God. I gotta call the cops right now before I become his next meal. His next meal. Chat, should I quit my job? I feel like I definitely should quit my job, bro. Just act like you don't see him. Oh, what's going on in the cameras? Oh. Hey, buddy, what do you want? I don't want to go out there, bruh. Sir? Ah! I'm quitting. I'm quitting! Shit, the phone's dead. Of course it is. Let's just check the cameras. It feels like this guy wants to turn my night into a total nightmare. I am hungry. Can I eat you? I mean, what kind of shit we talking about? I mean, you keep looking at me like that. It's kind of creep me out. You know what I mean? You're kind of creepy, dude. Stop that. Get the fuck out of here. Chat, do I have to go check it again? We gotta go kick him out of the subway. Do I have to go back down? Like, where do I go? Oh, this way. What, did the developer go on YouTube and look up dumpster with a cat sound effect? That was the most like Tom and Jerry sound effect I've ever heard. Oh man. I'm sick of this shit. Okay, bro. Man, you're putting me in the creepiest settings possible. Okay, so we're gonna have to do a little parkour here. So we have to drag the boxes here. Just a little bit of problem solving, chat. What are you gonna do if there's a ledge too high? You gotta find a way up. Hey, let me get a 1 in chat if you think I'm smart. Whoa, 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 we can't have that. We cannot have that here. Hold on, fix this. Oh, bro, whoa, whoa. What did I just say? Hold on. How do we turn this off? I'm gonna go this way. What the fuck is it? Open this door, open the door, open the door, open the door. Door. Go. I don't even care. Just go. I don't even care. What is this place? I don't know. What's this? This neighborhood looks familiar. I don't know what just happened. All I know is that I almost passed out and went into the 5th dimension. Okay. Stop, bro. Stop. Let me get that for you. You going to, floor 3? I'm gonna go to 3. Have a good day now. I hate my apartment. I hate it. There's always something weird going on. My apartment sucks, bro. Let's just keep going up, you know? Okay. Right. The kids are always out playing this at this hour. Eviction notice. Notice for non-payment. Fuck, Chad. They got me, boys. 1,500? I'm not gonna lie. I think 1,500 in New York City is pretty good, no? Let's go check out my place. Well, maybe it's a pretty fitting price. Now that I think about it. I think this might be the house we lived in when I was a kid. Man, this place sucks, bro. Damn, the toilet seat falling off? I know that's annoying. That's gotta be annoying. Hello. Wow, nice. Okay. Bro, I will be happy if you give me a weapon, okay? I know in horror games it's almost impossible. Like, what am I gonna do with this? It's almost impossible to find a weapon in a horror game. But, man, would that be good right now? Because I would love to pop Yao Ming in the forehead. Hey, little guy. Oh, what is this? I lost my car. Can someone find it? I must find his toy. Why? Why are we doing this? You know what I mean? What do you, I don't want to. I don't give a fuck about his toy, bro. Pause the game. Pause the game. You can't play a sound like that, bro. Find his toy. Where's his dumb fucking toy, bro? Fuck, chat. It's the goddamn landlord always trying to kick me out. I know, unpaid rent. I got you, trust. I got you next month. Aren't you amazed at how much we look alike? Yo, my landlord been getting creepier and creepier every month. Anybody sees a toy car, you let me know, all right? Hey, kid, you want some pills? Bro, I can't find this kid's toy car. Sorry, kid. No can do. It's in your hand, bro. There it is. Okay, let's go give it to him. Huh. Ha! Hey, kid, I got your stupid toy. Here you go, buddy. You want this? There you go. Oh, you. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, this is beautiful. I'm getting kind of anxiety because I'm like in the middle of the water, but this is kind of beautiful. He hates the city just like I do. Man, I ain't gonna lie. You sound like a little bitch right now. I'm gonna try to help you, but you are just all out. Man, what am I playing? What? I didn't kill him. Bro. What? No way. Yes! Yes, baby! Come on, man! Okay, hold on. Yo, you good, bruh? Oh my gosh, a motorcycle. How much ammo do I have? Yeah! Let's go. I dare someone to press me now. Uh-huh. There ain't nothing standing in my way. Here we go, chat. Hey, I'm not gonna lie, I hit that motherfucker 3 times. Hold on, hold on. There's gotta be something else I have to do there. I have to run? Oh. I'm not messing around anymore. Yeah! Uh-huh. This my shit. I really want to be like this. I want to go. Come on! Oh my God, you're gonna make me. Okay, here we go. Fight number 1. I mean, that guy's crazy. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh, balloons? Yeah, I dare you. I dare you. He is getting stronger.
You gon' mess with me, bitch? You gon' lay down, suck my dick, y'all, man?
Come on, Chad, let me get some goddamn W. Albert, after killing Vulture, reported the incident to police. The crime, the police found the body of Vulture. Found murders. The man in the bathroom at a better base in the pit. The place being concluded. But a psychopath that he committed the murder himself after being prosecuted for ready to missing dude. Wow. I spent the night in a mental institution after I just had to kill the ghost of Yao. The ghost of Mr. Ming? Oh, that's kind of creepy, bro. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, they kind of cooked with that. Hey, low-key, that was a little bit of a cook. Homeless. Wow. You know what? Let me get a W in chat, man. Everybody rate that game 1 through 10 right now. I'm gonna need the audience's rating. Dark Phobia Games. That was great, bro. That was fun. Atmosphere was good. The scares were good. Oh, and now they try to make New York look beautiful, huh? 3 years later. Oh, you're really... Michael, this is from head officer. There's a suspicious individual within your range. Move towards him quickly. Wait, what? What? Wait, we didn't beat the game? Whoa, 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 whoa. Newspaper headlines, September... Oh, shit. Wait, it's a day before 9/11. Wait, what is going on? Oh, wait. Twin Towers over there. Chat, that made me want, yo, that was scary as hell. What the fuck was that? Hey, W game, ladies and gentlemen. I enjoyed that. Like I said, the atmosphere was great. The graphics were great. I don't really understand the story too much, but hey, ladies and gentlemen, it don't matter. Okay, good game, bad game. It really don't matter here. We beat the game!